reception of the object is also, that's maybe something interesting to take on board. This is that how does this thing that you make, how receptive is it to the contingency of any kind of action, activity, or interaction with anything else, whether or not it's something inanimate or it's human. What is its receptivity? I mean, well, its receptivity to change its form is here, but here. But that's a passive receptivity in kind of way. So how can it be, how is it receptive and how does it act in order to change?
Because the wine gets more qualities and becomes more in depth when you get to learn to drink it. Well, that's not what the Doruff says. It's really like developing both. Developing the taster and the wine. You can't say, that's like discovering bacteria or something. I mean, you create them and trying to make them autonomous.
Exactly.
And that's why I think it's so interesting that you have autonomy in the sense that it resists your expectations, and you have autonomy in the sense that it is so much related to you that you can't live without it. So you have two kinds of ways for objects to survive,
But autonomy, but in a way, autonomy is something you create. Autonomy is created itself as the related. The autonomy is the relation, not necessarily the thing can be an anonymous thing or object, but when you're talking about interactional relation, the relation between whatever things are in play is itself autonomous. The relation itself is autonomous and needs to be thought of as and could the relation be a thing? Can we go that far? In talking about an object and objects and things, can we go that far as to say, okay, if we would agree that the relation is something autonomous that emerges from actions, some kind of an activity, can that thing, because it's not necessarily, it's not material, it's immaterial, but it exists in a relation, can somehow be,
it's a force.
It's an effective force.
But I also see relation as something that contains so much change in itself, because when it relates, it becomes something new, and then you have already a new thing relating in a different way to other things. So a relation, can you hold that?
Well, I don't think it's a matter of holding it. I think it's a matter of recognizing that that something has emerged from in an event that is a thing, an autonomous thing in itself, which is which still has which is still changing.
Or like a thing in essence of that matter of concern, the demon, right? Then you have to
So the more autonomous something, some relation is, the more events it can let emerge.
It can generate. Does one relation generate?
It brings
another?
forth
Probably.
more force than other things that are less things.
Yeah.
They are quite